Welcome to my channel. This is the mystery bike. Why do I call it the mystery bike? As you can see, it has been painted with what looks to be house paint. It's not a nice paint job either. The poor paint job has covered up almost every clue as to what brand of bike this is. Hence the name Mystery Bike. Can you help me solve this mystery? Do you know what type of bike this is from the STEM camp? Comment below with your guesses. Here's what I do know about the bike. I got it at a reasonable price from Facebook Marketplace last year. I talked the seller down from $50 to $20. I don't think it's a Walmart bike. It's lower end, but definitely not a Walmart bike. It has 29-inch wheels with disc brakes. It has an 8-speed cassette in the rear and not a freewheel, and 3 speeds up front. It's time to pull this mystery bike apart. So sit back and relax while the fun begins. With the bottom bracket removed, this completes the disassembly of the mystery bike. Tune in next time when we refurbish and clean all of the components, and prep and paint the frame, getting it ready for final assembly. Thanks for watching!